Good morning. Marmalade on the PCT JMT, day 2, August 24th, Monday. And to give you an update, so first off, it's weird. It's sunny and clear. There's some big clouds in the sky, but it's mostly sunny. But the air quality is still horrible, if not worse than yesterday. Here's a picture I just took of the mountain range right next to where I was hiking. So it was really a tough decision, but I'm going back to 7 miles in my car. I'm gonna go back. The higher you get, and I don't know if it's high or just if you're in the path of the smoke, but these mountains are just filled with it. And it doesn't look, it's just like the trail never looks as beautiful in my videos as it does in person. Same thing with this smoke. It's much heavier, and I'm walking flat and it's harder to hike, but the uphill makes it much harder. So I'm gonna go back. I'm really bummed about it. Sorry guys. So I'll try to show you different parts of the trail that I didn't show you yesterday, make it interesting, and then I'm gonna decide what to do. I plan on being on the trail like 3 more days, so I'm gonna go back, see if I can get a camp spot where I was for a couple nights. I may go on a short hike later today, so maybe we'll have another day hike later today nearby the town. And you know, I'm up at like 10,000 feet now, and the guy said the campground's at 7,300, so either it's lower elevation or not in the path of the smoke. But it's weird because some other hikers told me the fire's not even close to here, so it's very strange. But they see the smoke tends to collect in the mountains. So I'm going back. I left at 7:30 this morning. Oh, by the way, I wanted to show you, I made a quick a tip that I thought you guys might appreciate when you're using a canister. So check this, a little video I made out this morning. Hey guys, Marmalade here. I thought I'd give you a quick tip that's good for when you're carrying a bear canister, you know, especially in the Sierras, and there's other places too. But what I'm doing on this trip is you're required to have a bear canister. And so if you'll see later in my video, it's on top of my pack. Also, what I have here is I have my food in my food bag, and the reason why I did this is I used to always put my food in my bear canister during the day when I was hiking, but it made the weight of my backpack, it threw off the weight in general, and it was too top heavy. So what I do is I put clothes and lighter things on top of this and strap it in the top. So if you can kind of notice in the videos, you'll see it's kind of, if this is see-through, you can kind of see the clothes and jackets and stuff in there. I put my food, as I always do when I don't need a canister, in the center of my backpack. If you get stopped by a ranger, you have to have a permit up here, and you have to have a bear canister. And then, but you are required at night, of course, to put your food in here and put it somewhere, which I did. I showed you this morning. I grabbed my bear canister. So that's what I do. It helps just distribute the weight better. So just a little tip that might help you. Anyway, I hope that helps you. So let's see what we got here. I left early. I'm an early riser, as you guys probably know, but also it's cooler. It did get pretty hot, not temperature-wise, but man, it was just so humid and hot. And then the smoke, it just seems like the way the sun comes through the smoke. And there was no wind for the most part yesterday till late. So let's see what we got today. And then I'll fill you in what the plan is later on once I know it myself, okay? See you later. Hey guys, hike number 2 today. So as you guys know, I hiked back out to 7 miles this morning. Back to my car. I got to the same campground I stayed at the other night, and I got the same spot actually. And I could pay night to night and keep it up to 14 nights, but I'm gonna probably do 2 nights and go home. So hike number 2. I'm sorry I'm going uphill here, but it just started raining, so see what happens. But I have my day pack on. But it's a loop, Skeleton Lake loop. And it goes by Duck Lake, which is where I would have camped the first night yesterday. And a couple other lakes. And a river, I can hear it now. So it's gonna be pretty, or very pretty. It's 3.4 miles loop. So it'll give me about 10.5 miles today. But yeah, let's see what this is all about. I found it on All Trails, Skeleton Lake Loop. Let's check it out. Oh man, it's steep. Two other things I forgot to tell you. It's not gonna be too bad. It's a big loop. It's all the uphills at the beginning. About almost 900 feet worth of elevation gain over. It's a 3.4 mile loop, so a little over 1.5 miles each way. And almost no smoke smell here, which is weird because I'm only about 4 miles adjacent to where I parked and where I was hiking. So maybe we get up higher in the mountains, it'll be more smoky, but it's weird. The big, tall mountains seem like all the smoke collected. But anyway, let's get this hike on. All right, guys, I'm winding down. It is 6 p.m. Hope you enjoyed those 2 hikes. I was mostly hiking earlier, which is, I imagine, why you guys tune in for, not to watch me or have me talk. But yeah, I'm back in spot 80. This is my tent way over there, big access tent. Yeah, I'm back here where I was, and I have it for tonight, and I can have it tomorrow night if I want. I think I'm gonna have it for 2 nights for sure. Have an option for 3, but I think 2, and then head home on Wednesday, which is my birthday. So tomorrow is Tuesday, the 25th. I only have 1 more day to be 57. So I'm gonna try to find a hike to do. I actually don't know what my plan is. It'd be smart to get up early, but I may not, so I don't know. I'm gonna look at all trails tonight more, and see if I can find something that's decent workout. So today I did 7 on the PCT GMT, and then getting back to my car, and then I did 3.4 to Skeleton Lake, which was beautiful, wasn't it? I mean, it's amazing. Even just a generic hike into the mountains here in the Sierra is amazing. So so now, what do I have left? To make a fire. I have a cold beer, and then I'm gonna roast some brats. That's my night. Not bad, huh? All right, let's do the fire. All right, guys, that about does it for day 2 on the trail. And as you could tell, it doesn't always turn out the way you think it is, but I'm happy. I'm having a great time, and we'll see what kind of trouble we can get in tomorrow. Maybe get a good hike in tomorrow. So anyway, thanks for sticking along and watching, and we'll see you for day 3 tomorrow. Bye.